I thought I hit record. Alright. Sorry about that, guys. 105 feet. I forgot to start recording. But yeah, see, we're already at 119 feet. We're only like about 30 seconds into the flight. We're in 30 feet. 140. Can we go? Can we move the camera down? Just to be on the safe side. Man. The camera should be going down. Oh, damn. I'm going too far away from it. The camera should be going down. It's not going down. What's it doing? Oh my god, when Craig is there, that's when it has to act up. Come on! It's not... Oh my god!
No signal.
Don't you dare do that on me right now. I will kill you, drone. I will kill you if you lose signal. We're at 155 feet. What's it doing? It's acting up. It's being screwy. I'm gonna have to land this. What's it doing? I'm gonna have to restart this, I think, because where did they go? I'm gonna have to land. Where did they go? Oh my god, it's acting up. Where is it? It's up there. 159 feet, 160, 165. I'm telling the camera to go down and it just doesn't it's not responding. Oh, barely. Oh my god, is it? Why did my coat have to get... What is the drone doing? Okay, 170. I'm gonna have to land this. I'm getting really freaked out. It's doing whatever. I can't tell if it's... You're an 81. $190. This is where we... 191. Alright. So far, so good. 192. 192 feet. 92. 193. 194. I have to do this quickly. 199. 200. 201. I'm gonna be landing this soon, guys. It's really it's really poor connection right now. Look at that view though, 202 feet. Wow, 41% battery left. 204. 206. Man, guys, this is insane. How's it doing? If it starts moving, I'm going to land this because I'm really nervous it's gonna fly away. 208, 209, 210, 211, 212 feet. $212. Not bad. That's actually really good. Yesterday with that here we did 135. Now we're doing it at 212.9. That's crazy. I think we're gonna land soon because the connection's very weak, and I'm really scared it's gonna like fly away. Let's do 220 and then we're gonna land. Alright, 221.
Landing.
That really lands fast.
Low battery warning.
Oh my god, I don't want to get frosted. Beautiful. Oh my god, I don't want to get frostbite. Oh. 220 feet. 220 feet. 220 feet. Oh my god, I gotta get my gloves. I'm gonna get frostbite like I did yesterday. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.